feel the Sanjao in the air. Ale, 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 come on and sing. Ale, 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 feel the Sanjao in the air. Ale, 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 come on and sing. Ale, 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 feel the Sanjao in the air. Ale, 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 come on and sing. Ale, 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 feel the Sanjao in the air. Ale, 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 come on and sing. Ale, ale, ale. Udelo disokosheco, आशीर्वाद घेऊन सांजू आवाचो दिसो ताचे परवेचो दिसो मौजा करपाचो चल रे कित्याक तूं लजता माथ्यार कपेलां दिसता सगळे उमेदीन नाचता सांजू हांव गाजयता चल रे कित्याक तूं लजता.
या दिसा सगळे क्रिस्ताव समाजाचे लोक इगर्जेत वचून प्रार्थना करतात. पाद्री इगर्जेत वीज पेटयले की ह्या परबेक सुरवात जाता. हे दीस सांजवाव हांणी समाजाक दिल्ल्या पवित्र संदेशाचे आसता. हे परबे दिसा सगळ्याच्या घरात गोड जिनस करतात.
सिया, आम्ही हे परबेक मावण्याची परब कित्याक म्हणटात?
या परबेक नवो जावळ मावळ्या येता. हे परबेक क्रिस्ताव समाजातले सगळे जावळ मावळे येतात. ताका लागून या फेस्ताक मावळ्याचे फेस्त म्हणटात. व्हंकल आनी न्हवऱ्याची घरची वजें धाडटात. ह्या दिसा समाजात वांटो घेवपी सगळेच माथ्याक कपेलां बांदतात. ही कपेलां वेगवेगळ्या फुलांनी, फळांनी, पानांनी तयार केली आसता. मागीर सगळे जाण सैमाच्या गोपात पदां म्हणीत घुमटाच्या ताल्यार नाचतात.
परंपरा आणि सैमाचा सुमेळ आशिल्ले परब, उमेदीची खोशयेची परब. तुम्ही मज्जा करता आसतली न्हय?
हय, उमेद वाडोवपीच परब ही. पूण ताचे परस ह्या परबेंतल्यान सांत जुआवान समाजाक बरी जीण जगपाचो संदेश दिला. आमी जे ह्या धर्तरेचेर आयल्यात ते बरें करपा खातीर देखून बरें करात आनी वायट सोडात हो सांत जुआवाचो संदेश. आमी जिणेक आपणावंक जाय आनी मुखार व्हरपाक जाय.
सारके तुजे. आम्ही ही परब मज्जा मस्ती म्हण मनोवची न्हय, तर आमची संस्कृती परंपरा जपून सगळ्या धर्माच्या लोकांनी एकठांय येवन परब मनोवंक जाय आणि सांजावचे संदेश पसरपाक जाय.
Good morning, Reverend Father Principal, teachers, and you, my dear friends. I am Anuj Naik from Class 11 Arts, and today I am here to talk about the significance of the Sajao festival in Goa. This vibrant festival, held on June 24th, is a testament to rich cultural heritage of our state. More than just a tradition, it's a reflection of our community's values and connection with nature. During this celebration, people come together and unite the spirit of festivity. The festival of Sanjao has its own unique customs, such as wearing kopela crown adorned with fresh flowers and leaves that showcase our respect for nature and living in harmony with the environment. Another custom is jumping into the wells and ponds, which we don't encourage now. We celebrate this festival in the honor of Saint John the Baptist, who was a true follower of God. He displayed simplicity of life and was a very humble yet honest person. His teachings taught people to always believe in God, to be honest in what we do, to be humble towards everyone, and to live a simple yet happy life. He also taught about justice, mercy, morality, and courage to stand up and speak out against injustice. On the occasion of this vibrant festival, let us follow his teachings and live our lives with peace and harmony. Thank you.
Feel the sunshine in the air. Ale, ale, ale. Come on and sing. Ale, ale, ale. Feel the sunshine in the air. Ale, ale, ale. Come on and sing. Ale, ale, ale.
Sanna mode khavache, zor patelu odpache, pedi urakyu pache.
लोसता माथ्यार कपेला दिसता सगळे उमेदीन नाचता सांजू हांव गाजयता चल रे कित्याक तूं लोसता माथ्यार कपेला दिसता सगळे उमेदीन नाचता सांजू हांव गाजयता Feel the sun down in the air Ale 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 Come on and sing Ale 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 Feel the sun down in the air Ale 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 Come on and sing Ale 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 Feel the sun down in the air Ale 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 Come on and sing Ale 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 Feel the sun down in the air Ale 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 Come on and sing Ale ale ale
सांजावाक कॉपेल घालपाची एक परंपरा आसा सांजावाक कॉपेलीक वेगळीच शोभा हाडटा सांजाव ही परबेत आमकां परंपरा आनी सैमाचो मेळ जाल्लो पळोवंक मेळटा सांजावाक आमी कॉपेल माथ्यार घालून पदांच्या तालार नाचत उमेदीन मनयतात
Festival of Sanja is celebrated all over Goa with great joy and happiness. People from different religions get together, wear kopels on their heads, sing traditional songs, and joyfully jump into the wells while celebrating this festival. Sanja is celebrated in the honor of Saint John the Baptist, whose teachings taught people to believe in God, be honest in all we do, and to live a simple yet happy life. On this very special occasion, let us follow his teachings and improve our lives and live it peacefully and harmony while preserving our lovely Goan culture. Thank you.
आमी सगळे जावूय व्हरतो जोडा तेंपान बेटल्या सांजुआवचे फेस्त म्हणून आमी मावड्या आयल्या माथ्यार ही कपेलां घालून उदक नांक भायर सरल्या आयच्या दिसा व्हडले आमी नोकोंकूय पावल्या